Hello everyone, welcome back to another used device unboxing and short review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first of all, talk about the box content. At first, open the box, we got our smartphone. Then one USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and some papers. This is blue titanium color. First of all, talk about the phone design and the build quality. Design-wise, the smartphone look too much similar to other Apple devices. The phone built with ceramic seal in the front, glass back, and titanium frame with a grade 5 iPhone 15 Pro model. Apple introducing fast titanium frame and new action button. The phone comes with 6.7-inch Super Retina HDR OLED display with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 supported, and the phone peak brightness is 2000 nits. Security wise is come with face unlock, which is very fast and secure. On the performance side, the phone comes with fast 3nm Apple A17 Pro chipset with 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage. Performance are still beast, you don't face any problem more than 3 to 5 years. And right now the phone running iOS 18.4. In the camera department, the phone comes with a triple camera setup. 48 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the font is come with 12 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080p, 25fps, 30fps, 60fps, 120fps and 240fps slow-mo video with 10-bit HDR W vision. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight, the smartphone take a great pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are so good. And the 12 megapixel ultra wide also give you great pictures. Especially I like this smartphone 5x telephoto lens. You can take a great portrait, and very soon this smartphone long time camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The smartphone powered by 4441 mAh battery with support 20 watt fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. Okay, that is all about our iPhone 15 Pro Max short unboxing and review. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.